Today I'm taking a look at the GOOLOO A5. Okay, so it does come with a nice large case. And this I always like to see. There's actually separate compartments for the tool itself as well as the adapters. Nice being able to keep everything organized. So here is our alligator clamps. Nice big teeth on those guys. It looks like we can also clamp from the sides as well as the front, depending on how we need to get onto that terminal. Simple plug-in style with a boost button on the top. Got our compressor hose. There's a nice braided hose, thread-in style on that, and a full locking chuck on the other side. Got a bunch of extra adapters for inflatables if you want to press the valve, if you want to fill up your basketball, we got that. We got our charging cable, it's USB-A to USB-C, and we also have a USB-C to USB-C cable. And here is the unit. So we got our navigation buttons here on the front. Bottom we do have some rubber feet. Lots of ventilation on both sides. This is kind of cool. So they actually built the tether in on the top. So it has both the tether as well as our charging cable. It's a very unique idea. We got our USB-A port. We got our USB-C port. We got our pump port. The rubber cap. That is going to be where our jumper cables plug in. And then we got our LED light. So press and hold. And our interface just pops right up. So by default, we got 3/4 charge. We are set for 36 PSI. We can bring that down. We can bring that up. It is set for car mode. If we hit our circle button on the top, that is going to change it to motorcycle. So by default, we're at 32, 44, 9, or it looks like it can go up to 120 PSI. That is pretty impressive. Then if we click power, that starts the compressor. Really like the overall look of that interface. Go ahead and plug in our jumper cables. We can notice that one of these is a little bit longer than the other, so we're not going to have to worry about plugging that in backwards. Now, right now, if I try to connect these together, it's not going to do anything because this has to be connected to the battery before it actually starts providing a charge. What the boost option is for, if you're trying to boost a battery that is completely dead, this isn't going to be able to read any voltage on there, so you're going to need to force it to flow energy through there. So you should never have to hit the boost button, but in the event you do want to hit that, just hit boost. You can see correct is lit up, and we can now start the car. So we do have instructions. It says the capacity is 74 watt hours, 800 amp starting current, 4000 amp peak current. USB-C 1 in is quick charge 2.0. USB-C 2 out is a power delivery 45 watts. And USB-A out is 2.4 amps at 5 volts. Max pressure, it actually says, is 160 PSI. You can inflate some pretty serious stuff. And we can see that we are super fast charging, so that is excellent. This came just in time because I need to air up these tires. So we're at 28, going to 35. Okay, didn't take very long. We're now at 35, and we still got 3 bars of charge. All 4 tires are filled up, and we got 2 bars of charge. So yeah, if you're looking for something that you can air up your tires with, you can jump start your vehicle, and in a pinch, you can even charge up your phone. That's going to be an excellent thing to have in your car.